My name is Natalie Lande, and I teach saxophone lessons with Terra Sounds. Today I want to teach you a quick tip on how to properly breathe while playing the saxophone. So typically when we take a big breath, our shoulders go up and our chest goes out, like this. That's because we're taking in air from our chest. When we're playing a saxophone, when we want a big saxophone breath, we want to actually take it more in from where our stomach is. You want to take a breath that kind of inflates your stomach, like this. Watch this.